Alright, we're live. Holy cow. Let's go. We are live. We are actually live. Let's go. Alright, boys. We're live. We are live, boys. Come on. Fresh Cash Friday. What's going on, people? What is up, everybody? Yeah, I'm back. What a hard month. Oh, Sarif, you're back. Get it, buddy. Happy to have you back, my man. Let me put the camera on myself. Happy to get you back, brother. Happy to have you back. Hey, Angel. Yeah, both of everyone is here. What a hard month. Hey, Sarif, what's up? What's up? What's up? How you did this month, buddy? Any money? Did you manage to get a payout from Apex or anything? What's up? Tell us what happened. What is up? Tell us. Nah. Couldn't get a payout? You'll get it eventually, man. Come on. You can do that. We're supposed to get rich. We need to get rich. And it's not gonna happen overnight. For sure, it's gonna take a while. It's gonna take a while. You have to be patient, but it will take a while. It will take a while. Let's go. Blown 7-8 accounts last month. Funded accounts? Were they funded? Were they funded? Blown 6 to 8 accounts last month. You need to get emotional control, man. 6 to 8 accounts. Wow. I could never. Bro. Holy moly. Brother. 1 minute and we're gonna start the analysis. Let's go. I'm gonna begin the... Many accounts were left just $50 to pass and from there blown the entire account. Yo, you should let it for tomorrow, man. There's always tomorrow, man. The days are not over. Don't let the market will bait you into doing these things. Oh my days, brother. Like, don't let the market, the market will literally make a fool out of you. Like, if you genuinely don't have control over your own emotions just for another extra $50, you're gonna get ass wiped. Like, literally, you're gonna get wiped out. The market literally has its ways, man. Nobody beat the market ever. They lost, but they won more than they lost. That's the goal. No one can beat it, but anyone can ride it. Yeah, buddy, yeah. Yeah. Get emotional control. Emotional control, that's what I preach. Emotional control is I preach all day long. I don't preach any fancy strategies. I don't preach any, you know, the end all be all, the holy grail of trading, but I do preach emotional control, mental control. It's a mental game. It's a game. It's a mental game. You're playing it. Who plays it longer? That's the question. Who plays that longer? Who plays the longest and the most consistent? All right, let's go. So daily chart looking, we made an all-time high, pulled back on the candle again. Hourly chart once again looking very scary down here. I'm not sure if we're gonna keep ripping. Here's the thing, on the on the 15-minute chart, we're looking pretty pretty bearish, so to speak, for now. If we get above the view up, I would expect a push even higher. On every single time frame though, we're looking pretty bearish. Under the view up, delta going down. 1 minute chart. 1 minute chart is like it's extending itself for a larger, more powerful dump. Let's just wait and see. Let's just wait and see. Let's just wait and see. Might try a short here pre-market and wait for the market open. I might. But there's not really any gaps to fill. Other than, you know, a little bit on the ES here. So 2 minutes before market open, I'm gonna shut down the camera so my computer doesn't lag. I'm gonna trade 6 funded accounts. 6 funded accounts all together with an eval plus 1 eval. 6 funded accounts plus 1 eval. Alright, so that's the plan. Get above the view up, expect a push. Stay below the view up, look for shorts. Stay disciplined. Just calculate your risk. What's your risk per trade? What's your target? What's your risk? More important to know what's your risk. I personally risk like $70 per account. So it's like less than 4%. I'm currently trading like 14 micros. That is like 2 micros per account. So I'm trading like 6 PAs plus 1 eval, which is right here. I always like to keep it on the eval because I like to see the eval and not my PAs. You know what I mean? What I take on the eval, it will automatically mirror on the PAs as well. How are you doing? Great. Awesome, bro. Honestly, you know, I'm not doing so great, quote unquote, but I'm doing just fine. I'm okay, you know. Alright, 1 minute market open. I'm gonna close the camera, brother. I'm wondering, I have the ES right here because the ES is a tricky little fucker, everyone. Like, I bet no one even thought of the ES doing such as leading the Nasdaq. ES is in fact leading the Nasdaq. How the ES behaves, it will highly influence how the Nasdaq also behaves. No one pays attention, but this little fucker right here, he has more influence over the Nasdaq than the entire stock market. No trades taken. Stay disciplined. Keep in mind the hourly chart, the reason that I did not take this short here is because of the look on the hourly chart. The hourly chart looks stinky. It looks as if it wants to keep pushing. So be careful getting short here. Did you able to make a payout till now? No, I haven't been able to take a payout. I have started to trade my PA accounts just over 3 days ago, brother. And I am building them up. Just be patient. Just looking and seeing. It's best that you keep out of it and wait till, you know, it gives you something. But the ES, I'm not taking this. Why the ES, dude? You don't take it. The ES keeps pushing like this. The Nasdaq will clearly follow. That's what we're doing right now. Look at that. Look at that. Boys, clear, quite quick advice. If you want to have a little bit of more of an edge, toss the ES on the, if you're trading Nasdaq, throw the ES there next to it. It will do you a lot of good. I guarantee you, it will do you a lot of good. What do we say? The ES leads the Nasdaq. If this guy keeps pushing, obviously we're gonna fake out here. Like probably right here, we suckered in shorts on this wick. And now it's taking out the stops. Great. There's a lot of volume up here at the 80s. 180 volume. Shit ton of it though. Holy moly. Oh boy. Did you able to make a payout? No, yeah, I answered it already. I'm gonna put it a little bit more in depth. I didn't make a payout from them yet, but I know I haven't lost my accounts. I know they're still here. Okay, I accidentally logged out. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna switch my chart. Ah! God damn, bro. Oh my god. Ah, fuck. No. Why? Why, bro? I know. Frick. Why? Oh my no. Shit. Damn it. Fuck. Ah, no. Wait. Actually, might be a false alarm. Might be a false alarm. It's just chopping around. Never mind. We didn't miss anything, boys. We didn't miss anything. I accidentally just logged out of my trade of it. Ah. Why did I do that? I accidentally logged out of my account. Not cool, but what? Whatever. You know. The ES pushing? Come on. I'm trying to relog back in, dude. Trying to relog in as fast as possible. Dude, come on. What happened, by the way? I accidentally logged out of my trade of 8. Shit. Accidentally logged out of my trade of 8. Unbelievable. Ooh. I just pressed the logout button accidentally. I don't even know. Okay, we're back. We're back. Okay, we might have a long opportunity. Right here. Be patient. Just be patient. Make sure there's no orders anywhere. I'm always clicking the exit all button. Just you know, stay safe. If ever you click something and there's an order left on the chart, it's not gonna be good for you. Alright, I thought you accidentally placed 4 mini contracts. No, bro, this is the copy trader. This is micro Nasdaq. So these are 14 micros. I'm trading 2 micros across all 6 accounts. 2 micros per account. That's what I'm trading. 2 micros per account. I'm risking $70 to $80 per trade, aiming to make 150 plus. I always aim for 35 points of profit and 20 points of risk. 20 to make 30, you know. 1 minute chart tasty. You placed 14 mini contracts. Yeah, if I had a lot of money in my account, 14 minis would do a lot of wonders. You know, a lot of good money. Good money. If I get long here, my stop would be somewhere here. That's for sure. But I'm not sure. The ES, I'm watching non-stop the ES. That's what I'm watching. Trying. Look at this manipulation. There's just not really any movement, just a lot of manipulation. Too much of it, honestly. Okay, got it, buddy. Yeah. Let me check my trading charts. Let me get away a little bit from my broker. 1 minute chart. Consolidating but mostly wicking. Check out the 1 minute chart on Nasdaq. Wicking non-stop. Wicking. It's shady. It's a little bit very shady. Especially that we're near all-time highs. Like genuinely, we're basically 50 points from the all-time highs. It's really a lot of indecision. A lot of indecision. No bueno. The ES making a great move. Trade ES, W to them. I mean, there's a good setup. Retest the view up to push up higher on the ES. Nasdaq, not so much though. On the past 3 days, took some trades, always getting stopped out break even. Just because the Nasdaq was lagging behind the ES. The price action in general was worse. The ES giving you a setup there. Nasdaq, it's doubting. I'm doubting the price. Best idea ever I just had. Stay disciplined and don't touch the charts until you see a solid A+ setup. That's what I'm looking for. Every single day I'm looking for one A+ setup. I'm taking it. If I make money, I'm getting out. If I'm not making money and I get stopped out break even, I'm also getting out. And if I lose money 100%, I'm getting out. Look at that. ES, perfect setup. Cleanest setup we've seen so far on the ES. This should have been the Nasdaq, and sometimes it is the Nasdaq, but just not in our case today. It wants to climb up. Yeah, definitely. I mean, I can agree with you on that one. The hourly chart definitely looks like it's gonna fucking shoot up another 50 points or so. But I just don't like the price action. Sure, it will climb up, but it's like price action. It's like the way the price moves. That's what I'm interested in. It's like, does it move precise and with intention, or does it like, you know, I don't know. It's like there's some just in general the price action. You know, when I see the Nasdaq doing a move, like yeah, the direction may be pointed higher, but it's not moving like totally in check. You know what I mean? I don't know if you can relate. It's about the way it moves. Does it move clean? Does it give clean setups, or does it give wiki manipulated choppy setups? I mean, the ES, clean setup, A+ setup on the ES. However, I'm not trading the ES. Maybe I should start that, honestly. That's a disciplined trader's mindset, buddy. Thanks. Good luck. Thank you again. Same to you. Let's go. It wants to climb up. Yeah, I can definitely. Yeah, it definitely wants to climb up. But it's the way it does it. That's what I'm trying to see here. The way it does it, that's the key. Being patient here, waiting and seeing. I'm non-stop ogling the ES. Like, what does it do? About 80%, 85% of the time, the ES leads the Nasdaq. Even probably more. Probably even more of the times. Like, oh, good lord. Wants to climb up. Oh my god. I'm not disciplined, but I promise I'll follow the rules. Promise, buddy. Discipline comes from following the rules. So don't worry about that. Though they're both the same. What the fuck was that, though? Did you guys see this shit? What the frick? Oh, what the hell, dude? And I mean, that's why you gotta stay disciplined and wait for A+ setups, because it does this type of shit, you know. Oh my god, bro. That was so funny. It happened so fast. Jesus Christ. You would have got... This was probably... You entered along here. This was probably the fastest stop out I've ever seen in my life. Ooh, that was a dodged bullet. Thank God that we have a plan. Wow. Mad. Mad. Absolutely mad. Wow. Brutal. That was a brutal knife. That was so sudden as well. Do we have news? Let me check the news. I'm not disciplined, but I promise I'll follow the rules. Promise, buddy. It's up to yourself. You know, you promise to follow the rules. You promise to yourself to be disciplined. Yourself to make money. Essentially. Come on. Yeah, I have news. 1:43 seconds. Please stay. Movement. Yeah, we have 1:35. Stay out of your trade. This financial advice. Stay out of your trades. If there's any financial advice, even though my description says I don't give financial advice, the best financial advice I can give now: don't trade news. You're gonna be your account will be staying out. Let's switch to trading view real quick. No setup for now. I'm not interested in staying on my trade of it if there's no setup happening. Let's go on trading view. Check the price action out. That's what I'm talking about. Shitty, shitty, shitty price action. $50 seconds till the news. Let's see. ES. Look at that. And, it does not look good, honestly. This whole might not look good at all. But I am gonna, after the news, I am gonna state a theory that I really want to play with over the next, certainly the next week. I'm gonna play by the plan that I want, and I'm gonna let you guys know, just to give you guys, you know, a short look into what I want. Definitely next week. I look forward to next week. So today I'm not even trying to make money. I'm just waiting and seeing, being present. Government shutdown. 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. News is out. ES looks good for a push, honestly, but I don't trust the Nasdaq as usual. The Nasdaq is looking terrible. The ES looks much cleaner today. ES push. ES trying to push. Right. ES trying to push towards that pivot. Got stuck at that pivot. ES has a lot of cleaner price action. The Nasdaq. Look at the difference. Look at the difference. It's just a mess. The news that came out was the US S&P Services PMI final. That's the news that came out. At 4 o'clock, we got US ISM Services PMI. Updates. No trades taken, Angel. Delayed by 8 seconds. Fuck. That's not good. The current keyframe frequency is 8.2 seconds. Well, shit. It's not, nothing's happening either way, so I'm gonna try fixing it. Updates, Angel. Yeah, no trades taken. Just a big mess, just as yesterday. We did nothing today, so don't worry about it. No trades taken. Bad day too. Bad day. No trades taken. No money lost, no money made. I'm very interested in next week. Bad day as well. Please use the keyframe frequency of 4 seconds or less. Shit. Keyframes are not being sent often enough, which can cause buffering. Internet. My internet is so ass. I hope you guys can hear me clear. This is so bad. Absolutely terrible. Well, let me check the keyframe. Microphone is unmuted, but no signal. What? Can you guys hear me? Oh, by the way. By the way. Okay, so, by the way. If I get a payout, I will be posting a video about it. Getting the payout, the requests from Apex. Since you said if I get if I get the first ever payout from Apex, which it will be, I will be posting about it in a video. I will definitely update the whole channel about it. So since Apex allows approximately the minimum amount of payout per account is about 500 bucks. 500 bucks across 6 accounts, that will be 3,000 bucks. And it will drop in my account, in my bank account, in like maybe 2 days. Within like 3 business days. But I have to build up my account. Yeah, I'll have to build up my account up to $2,600 per account. How is the stream still delayed? Stream settings, stream health. Status is poor. Serious issues that need attention. Yo, I'm telling you guys, I need to switch my internet provider. Like, genuinely. Stream latency. Normal latency. I have it set at normal latency. Oh my days. What an uneventful day, right? You play by 20 seconds. You know, I might close my broker just to be present with you guys. I might close my trade of it since I don't want to trade this bullshit. I do not want to trade this. Anything that you see here, I don't want to take part in it. I'm closing my trade of it down. I don't care. And I'm also disabling my 6PA accounts. And I'm going to re-enable them tomorrow. So let me see. It's late by 20 seconds, brother. My internet. Yeah, okay, I shut down my trade of 8. Hopefully should be fine now. You guys playing in there with emojis. Lol. By the way, guys, I have a problem. Sarif, I need an explanation. Here's what I freaking got. And I don't know what to do about this. Just yesterday, I have seen a 50k eval account in my Apex profile, and also on my trade of 8. I know for a fact that I have only one eval account that I paid. And I saw my bank account, there was no charge. There was no money taken out of my bank account. But I woke up with another eval account from January 1st, year 2000. Like, there's two eval accounts. Yeah, one of them is paid. And I know for a fact I traded on it. For like almost 14, there's over 2 weeks I traded this eval account. But there's another one, a brand new one that I saw yesterday that wasn't paid, yet it's active for trading from year January 1st, 2000. How is that possible? Glitch. But here's the thing. I can trade it. Is like genuinely, I see it in my trade of it in the list of my alongside with my 6 funded accounts, one eval account which has been traded, and there's another one all the way at the bottom which I never paid about. It's also ready to trade. Like genuinely, if I put one mini, it will like load in and it will like. What happens if I pass it though? What happens if I actually like take it and pass it? Imagine trading an account from year 2000 and you're still doing the eval. Bruh. They will breach the account. They won't pay you. They will breach the account, they won't pay you. Yeah. So so what you're telling me is I should contact support. Because I don't like seeing that account there, honestly. What's it doing there? Especially with that date, January 1st, 2000. What the fuck? So at this point I have to reach out to support. Right? They won't pay you. Bug year 2000. They will breach the account. Imagine waking up with a free eval from year 2000. What the? What is this on the Nasdaq? Explain this. Look at the Nasdaq dumping all the way here and the ES still holding up bullish. Don't trade this. Don't. It's chop. Reach out to support. Yeah, I will. Yeah, I will reach out to support. I have to reach out to support at this point. Chat is so active today. I'm actually very happy. Can I actually keep the chat after this? Like live chat replay. Live chat shows the original messages sent anytime watches the recording. Those are ghost accounts. Imagine trading an account from year 2000 and you still didn't pass it. That is brutal, my friends. Those are ghost accounts, literally ghost accounts. January 1st, 2000. I wasn't even born in 2000. I wasn't even born back then. I was born in year 2006. I was born 6 years later. How is it there? Someone in the past made that account. You see, guys, time travel exists. There's nothing you can say that will make me change my mind. Time travel exists. Yeah, what the fuck, man. You guys want some music? Let's put some cool music in there. Let's put some cool music. Why not? Why not? Ghost accounts, bro. Rest in peace. These are like... Imagine, I made an account before I was even born. I was meant for this shit, Sarif. I made an account before I was born. I'm the market maker at this point. You know. How can you... How? Imagine. Right now, I should be receiving 100,000 plus aura. Bro made an account before he was even born and traded it. Let's get some nice music. Playlists. Market's crashing. Oh my god. See, this is what I was talking about when I said it depends on the price action. It doesn't... Sarif said it was gonna go up. Initially, I also was like, yeah, okay, I agree, this is gonna go up, but I think since we're at the all-time highs, we have a very good chance to pull back rather than to keep pushing. It did, yeah. Oh, damn, bro. Damn. Exactly, this is what I was saying. Price action. Price action. The idea was correct. If we get a dump, I would look for a dump today. But not like this. So my idea was initially correct. Well, shit.
Struggling to hit the right notes? You don't need that.
Yes, you are correct.
You need a technique that works for you.
But yeah, I mean, look at that shit. I was correct, but you know, not like this. You know, when it does this type of stuff, it's impossible to trade. It's like it's almost set to like destroy the account and then do the move, so we don't get like clean moves. Basically, my intention was indeed prior to market open to get short, like get short, but then I was like, the hourly chart doesn't look good. It looks as if it wants to push, right? We look at the hourly chart, it wants to push, and as you can see, we wicked up thinking that we were gonna push. So what we did at first here was we sucked in the shorts here, stopped them out. In here, well, it could have made some money, but it's like, it's a C setup if I were to rate it. Sucked in again the shorts, thinking it's gonna dump. Yeah, stopped them out, and now it's going. So yeah, this is the image that we got today. The ES though, ES, good for money making. You could have made money here, you could have made money here. Now, you don't care, but you could have made money both ways. ES, clean. Top setups. Good job to whoever traded it. Damn. It's alright. Don't worry. We got also the next week. Don't worry about it. Let me see some nice music. Let's vibe. Let's vibe. When days like this happen, it's good to just vibe. Don't trade, just vibe. Keep your morals up, keep the spirits up. Let's keep our spirits up. But yeah, I'm gonna stay with my chat. Gonna stay with the chat, see if you guys want to talk about anything. If you guys want to talk about anything, I'll just be reading the chat more than keeping my eyes on the market. It's not worth it. Market bad. Market's terrible. Also, if you want to ask anything, you can talk to me in the chat about it. Because, after all, I'm not interested in this shit anymore until next week. So I might as well just spend time with you guys. Ooh, it's best music ever, bro. And days like this, the best music ever. What's my goal? Full-time trader. What's your goal? Depends what goal you ask. What, the financial, physical, about the, you mean fitness, or I don't know. What body you want, I don't know. But I assume you're asking about money, right? So when you're asking about money, then it would be make money, full-time trader, get payouts, never need to work in my life ever again. Currently, I'm not working. I'm just trading my 600 accounts. What is your goal, Sarif? What is your goal, Sarif? Say it in the chat. What is your goal? So yeah, what is your goal, Sarif? By the way, no trades this day. For me, I'm not trading today. Nope. No trades, no longs, no shorts. Screw this. Why do I do the stream? Why do I do the stream? Okay, that's a good question. Why do you live stream? I want people to see and document my journey from bottom to top as a trader. That's what I'm doing. Essentially, every video that I post, every live that I do, I share it obviously for educational purposes only. I don't encourage anyone to follow me in my trades. If you do it at your own risk. And yeah, as always, trade smart, trade safe, be smart, be patient, do what makes sense. But that's why I live stream. I'm here to document my journey from bottom to top as a trader. I thought that it'd be, why not? Why not share this on the internet? Something legit, right? Because the trading industry is full of bullshit. The last thing we need right now is more bullshit. We need more transparent traders, more traders who are honest about using demo accounts, funded accounts, prop accounts, because everyone in this trading industry claims to trade live, you know, directly on the market. But obviously I know a couple guys who Photoshop their entire broker statements to fake as if they were trading a live account, but in reality it was just a demo account. So I'm here to break the ice. Okay, I'm here to just document this straightforward, transparent. What I'm doing for myself to get rich. And by rich I mean 1 million, 2 million plus dollars. Okay, so I'm not saying I'm rich. I'm average financially, but rich I want to be, and this is my way of doing it. So that's why. Do you do other stuff except trading? Like what? Businesses? Jobs? Is that what you mean? Because no, I stopped working. And yeah, I used to work and now I stopped. But once I build capital in trading, once I get payouts larger and larger and larger, it will be easier for me to start also a side business. But I don't want to per se start a business of my own. But my parents do want to start a food business that could bring in lots of money for them. And that's what I want to help them do. With the money from trading, I want to help them fund their own businesses. But yeah, one of my goals is to essentially pull out enough money from trading to fund my parents' business as well, and also to buy myself a nice solid Lamborghini. Not Lamborghini actually, a McLaren or a Maserati. McLaren and Maserati, one of these two I'm getting. Either way. Okay, there's another question. I mean, where did you get your prop accounts money, bro? Obviously from a job that I quit not long ago. Because the job program just did not allow me to do anything. I couldn't focus on trading. I was always coming. I could never get the market open with the job I had. I invested 4 years of my life into this. I am not gonna stop until this shit works. And it works. So far so good. So far so good. From a job that I used to earn like 2k, 2.2 euros per month, like 2.2k euros per month. That was the job payment. And yeah, I do have euros in my money. Yeah, money in our country is just euros, not dollars. Dollars less in value than the euro currently. Look at this little bastard. Okay, so real quick, we're gonna be letting the stream run for another 10 minutes, exactly 10 minutes. And within this time, you can ask any other question that you want. If anyone else is present in the chat, ask the questions, and when I'm back, I will answer every single one of them, and then I'll be seeing you guys Monday on Mega Money Mondays. Stay safe, trade smart, trade patiently. I'm gonna let the charts open here for you guys. You know, you see the market well. Enjoy the day, and I'll be back. I just want to get out from here. It's I earned 250. Wait, he actually wrote something here. Let me see. It's $200. I earn $250 per month. It's $200. I just want to get out from here. Yeah. So that's why I suggest that you avoid stop. Like, if you really want this, if you really want a different lifestyle, brother, focus on the process, on the discipline. I know it seems in the moment, back when I started this journey, all I wanted was to make money really fast from trading, but that's not how it works. And I kept blowing up so many accounts. Too many. Okay? Too many. And I was like, okay, this is a business. Trading is a business. Treat it as one. Be patient and be disciplined, and you will get what you want. You don't have to trade one day. Your job as a trader is to wait for the big days. The big days when everything works the way you want it to. Right? The trades are awesome. Those type of days, the A+ setup days. The rest, you don't care. You don't even have to trade. If you see that it's not giving you the setups, if it's doing too much bullshit, don't trade. And if you are gonna trade, set your risk. What is the amount that you want to lose per trade? Like right now, I have set my limit. Like, I only want to find one A+ setup, take the trade, make 35 points, get out. So I aim for one trade per day, maybe two, depends. But that's it. 1-2 trades, done. Don't overtrade. That's simple. And you will get out of there, brother. Just give it a little bit more time. Give it a little bit more time. If you said that your accounts were $50 away from getting passed, I mean, you know how to trade, definitely. Otherwise, you wouldn't be that close to passing. But you just need a little bit of a little bit more of an emotional control. You know what I mean? Yeah. Huh. How many days did it took you to pass those 6 accounts? None. Those 6 accounts, I think I just I passed them in a single day. I used 10 contracts, and I found and I played by the bear flag and bull flags. Traded bear flags, bull flags. Strangely enough, the market was hot during that period, and so it took me 1 day. Yes, buddy, the emotional always get me. Yeah, that's an emotional game. Trading is an emotional game. There's no such thing as strategies. The strategy in itself, it can be the best, most winning strategy in the world, but without you being the head of it, it's not gonna work. So yeah, 1 day for all those 6 accounts. Then I paid them for the lifetime PA. I paid the lifetime PA fee, which was, I caught every single time, I caught about $85 per PA account. And now I'm having the accounts, you know. But yeah, it took me approximately 1 day to pass them. Each of them. I passed like one in 1 day, then the second one I passed it the next day, but I didn't pass them all in the same day. But I did pass each account. I was passing it in 1 day. I was like throwing 10 contracts, and I passed them like that. Yeah, I just found the best winning setups, and I was setting my take profit like 16 points. 16 points is basically 3K. And yeah, that's how I was passing them. But I don't recommend you doing the same, because I'm not sure. But I know for a fact that I'm ready to trade funded. So I can feel it. I'm ready to trade funded. And so far, so good, brother. Yeah. Just be patient with it. That's what I recommend. I hope the stream is better now. It says here, stream health is excellent. Excellent stream status. Confirm, is the delay okay? Yes, buddy, the emotional always gets me. It's an emotional game. Requires shit ton of control on your side. Self-control, basically. Here's an interesting theory. If you can't control yourself, how can you control the charts and your money? Ask yourself that. If I can't control myself, then how will I control the market? How will I control the charts and my trades? The market, you will never be able to control it. Unless you got like 1 billion in your account. But how will I be able to control my trades and the charts that I see if I can't even control myself? Still 20 seconds. My stream health updated to excellent. So it updated to excellent stream status. No issues. Still 20 seconds. Kind of sucks. I will be looking forward to get myself a solid gaming PC in which I can also play Minecraft and to trade and to record. I also made like a checklist of what I want to buy because it's time for me to upgrade my setup, and soon enough I'm gonna buy a new PC. The PC in itself costs like 1,300 bucks, like 1,300, 1,200 bucks, and I'm gonna get also 2 monitors. One of them will be curved, you know, one of them will be curved, and it will have like 160 hertz. You know, it will be a monitor. The curved monitor will have like 165 hertz, and the flat monitor will have 240 hertz. And I think the one with 240 hertz, I'm gonna make it my main. Oh, Gayton, yo, Gayton. Long time no see, brother. How's it going? Long time no see, man. Damn, look at that. People coming back. People coming back. Will that be god darn... Will that be god... Shit. Will that be doggone? Will that be god darn, bro? How is it going for you, Gayton? So far, so good, family. So far, so good. I hope for you as well, man. Market chop now. Yes, Sarif. Market chop. Market chops. This is by far the best chop. You know, I love this type of chop. The type of chop where it bores you so bad. Still deployed. Still deployed? What do you mean still deployed? You still, Gayton, you still in the army? You still in the army? Yep. I hope for you to get rich, Gayton. Genuinely. I hope for you that you get rich. Get rich, get independent, so that you don't need the state and the system anymore. Trying to defend the homeland. Trying to defend the homeland. Yeah. That's what we're all trying to do. But let's be honest. If the richest families they want a homeland dead, it will be dead. At the end is like they have the money, they have the trillions, They don't care who's trying to protect what. If they want something, they will get it done. The richest always win. Keep that in mind. That's why I'm tuning in. Yeah. Tune in, brother. You know, any effort so far, knowing that the richest families on the planet, they got the stronghold and the grip over the entire earth. If they want a country dead, they will have it dead either way, politically, more so politically. It doesn't even have to be through a war. It can be dead politically. You know, by the laws they apply, with the rules they apply. 10 minutes done. Yeah, I will be done in like 5 minutes. There's nothing to trade right now. Just ask your questions and I will be answering here. But for now, there's nothing to trade, brothers. Stay out of it. But yeah, the richest families, they want something gone, it will be done. It's like any effort that so far anyone's done, it was in vain. All efforts were in vain. Anything that was truly worth it was either stolen or destroyed. If you take a look at Romania right now, the political corruption is so big that currently there's only Jews coming into Romania, trying to steal the biggest gold mines in the world, trying to take everything, the food, the land, everything. And they're doing it politically. They don't even need a war. The wars, they will finance it. That's the thing. They finance the wars. They're not trying to stop wars. They're financing it. They want that shit. And whatever they want, they'll get it through laws and political stuff. And, you know, they'll get it through bureaucratic ways. Because that's their way. Bureaucracies always had the victory. As for the wars, they'll just finance it. Oh, let's have a revolution. Yeah, go ahead. Have yourselves a revolution. We'll just finance your revolution. We'll invest in it. It's crazy. It's raining outside. At the end, money always speaks. Bro, you choose wrong career. You should be a professor. What do you mean, Javier? What do you mean I should be a professor? No, I didn't choose the wrong career. Trust me, brother, I didn't choose the wrong career. But I am in tune with every political law that comes out. Especially for my country here. Professor David. Lol. Professor? What professor should I be then? What the hell? Probably in the economic political sector. Probably. But no, I am, as a trader, I have to stick, you know, I have to be up to date with the laws, especially the laws of America, as the laws of America influence the market more than the laws of Europe and Asia. But, yeah. The new laws, the news, the laws from America, they all influence the market in very strange ways. And so I have to know them. I have to know that shit. But yeah, I mean, it's not like professor, you know, it's just facts. If the rich want something, they'll get it through financing it and politically modifying documents. It's easy. I mean, when you got like, what? When you got $1 trillion in your account, it's not hard to influence anything in this world, right? I can smell the professor vibe from you. Can't smell the professor. Yo, that's the thing. I could have been something if I would have wasted my time learning to be a professor, a university professor. And I would have settled, if I just chose to settle up for a tiny little wage, 2K, 3K, come on, 3.5, maybe 4K at best per month as a professor. But as a trader, I have the ability to make unlimited, right? You can only lose what you have, but the upside is unlimited. But that's the point. Trading is not a gambling business. It's a business meant to bring you income by you managing your own funds. Like, how do you manage your risk? And then the profit will come on its own. But in trading, is like, the larger the gains, then also the risk will have to be larger. But then the risk will have to be adjusted to your account size. I could be an accountant and a professor. Could be a fucking a financial advisor and a professor. Bruh. All well, bro. Stream quality went poor again. Dude, what do I have to do to my internet provider so that my internet connection is better? Do I genuinely have to go there with a machete and chop their heads off? Like, genuinely, I don't get it. My Wi-Fi is getting stuck from time to time during the day, more often than not. So what do I have to do to fix the internet connection? Do I have to go to the headquarters of my provider, take a machete and chop their heads off? Should I? I mean, that's what's kind of needed now. Damn. So much for advertising it. Jesus. Yeah, our internet is the fastest, the best, you know, no interruption. And when you get it, is what you get. 20-second delays on streams. Fuck me. But yeah, bro, you choose the wrong career. No, I did. But yeah, I did not choose the wrong career. I basically put myself in a place where the big money's at. The big money is always on the market, in the stock market, in the futures market. The big money is here always, always. Not in a wage, in an average wage. Although, as you know, focusing on career in exchange for a tiny wage per month sounds old, but that's old school. That was efficient back in the 1990s or 80s. That was efficient, but now this is efficient. This is what's gonna put you above all the others. This is what's gonna put you above your bills, and it will provide you luxury vacations. If you know how to manage your money, portfolio, and risk, it will give you luxury vacations. If not, it will give you, you know, a piece of cardboard, and soon enough you'll be sleeping on the streets. That's the brutal trading world, right? There's always a cost. Bigger the cost, bigger the cost, bigger the reward. Bro, you chose the wrong career. I chose the wrong career. Maybe I should have even been a chemistry professor. On God, I also did chemistry. In my life, I also did chemistry. I could have been a good chemistry professor as well. That's a fact. Like, from the past, I used to study theoretical chemistry all day long. Genuinely. I used to do some math as well. But I was like, nope, not for me. I was capable of that, you know. I could have been. Could have, should have, would have. I still remember, I still have the chemistry books. Like, I literally still have the chemistry book. It's in my bookshelf. I can see it. It's green. It's a green book. A thick enough book. And in there you have all the equations. All the possible equations in chemistry. I used to spend 3 to 4 hours a day trying to learn chemistry. And that was back when I was, what, 13 years old? Because back then, when I was 13, chemistry didn't, you know, you're not being taught chemistry in elementary school. They teach you that in high school, then they teach you that at university. But fuck, I was doing a great job learning it on my own. No professor needed, just learn it on my own. Damn. Crazy. I also like know how to fix, and I also know how to fix and make robots, and also like I can build home alarms with electrical components, with electronic components. I used to do like I was like electronic. I was also like I found it very funny and also very interesting to work with electronics. So I used to learn how to build computers, build robots, build you know, detection sensors. Yeah, I still can do that. I still know how to solder, how to do all that. But yeah, I guess I found something more interesting. I found trading to be more interesting. Homemade money. This is quite literally what it is. Homemade money. Professor David. Maybe I should become a carpenter as well. Shit. If I make money trading, I'm gonna start being a carpenter. I'm gonna come fix your shoes. How would you like that, Sarif? Gonna charge you 1K for a pair of manual shoes that I make out of crocodile skin. How does that sound? Yeah. You know, they actually cost that, you know. A pair of crocodile skin shoes cost about 1K, maybe even more. Hey, but don't talk trash about my work, you know. My shoes will be looking great. Worth the price. My phone isn't even opening because of the internet connection. Love you, buddy. Hey, love you too, Sarif. Love you too, Sarif. All right, let's wrap this up. Let's wrap the stream up. Leave it for Monday. You know, Friday streams should always be a bit longer. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna wrap this up right here, and I'll be seeing you guys Monday morning. And yeah, peace to the Middle East. Trade smart, be patient, be smart, be patient. Do what makes sense, and I'll be seeing you guys next Monday. Take care, guys. I'll be going now. Gonna enjoy my day. Gonna enjoy my weekend. Enjoy your weekend, guys. And let's go. Let's make it happen. Let's go. Enjoy your day, Sarif. Love you too, Sarif. I'll see you Monday. Let's go. Let's get it.